To begin this graduation project for Hannah, I type Happy Graduation, Hannah, into Cricut Design Space. Then I go into Images on the left-hand side and type in Graduation and start scrolling through all the great little images they have for graduation. They have a ton. I find an image that I really like and I think it'll work well. So I start playing around with the placement along with my copy. I want to put the year she will be going to college on it, which was 2020. And I looked through all the different fonts and selected Boink, B-O-I-N-K, which I thought looked cute. This is a bag I found to hold Hannah's graduation gift. And Hannah and I have this thing about hearts. That's kind of like our go-to symbol. As a matter of fact, she's made things for me like this. And when she was a little girl, she made this. So we have a heart thing going on. So I found this bag and I want to put a message on the front. I'm going to save this vinyl, put new transfer tape on it, and use it as scraps. For 300 more craft tutorials, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit that bell. Thanks, everyone. Adhesive vinyl is very, very sticky. So you want to go from one side. Now leave this, put new transfer tape on top of it. And you know when you use adhesive, you always cut it pretty side up and you do not mirror. I'll show you how to use this to make use of these scraps in just a minute. All right, that's done. And now I've got this transfer tape to make use of my scraps. So I'm just going to put this one on here. Burnish it down. And now I've got this whole piece of scrapped left over and I just put it in my cutter the way I normally would. Okay, now I'm gonna package this up. These are the cups I made Hannah and Jake. And Hannah, I call her Hannah Banana Pudding Pie, is going to Mizzou. And I call him Jakey Boy, and he's going to University of Indiana. So I'm going to put a little something in Hannah's cup. And the colors of her high school are red and white. So fortunately, I had some of this tissue paper left from Christmas. It's got to be centered. And there we have it, a nice little graduation gift, all with adhesive vinyl. Thanks, everyone. For more tutorials like this, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks again, everyone.